Good planning is the part of any aspect of your life, especially when you're spending of whole saving to build a dream home. First of all, you have to check block size, budget, family members' requirement, and plan. So we are here to help you. This 36 square house is a perfect example of well planning. So let's start with the entry. For entry, you can see the door is on that side, big entry door, and you can see entry bulkhead with a chandelier in the middle. First of all, we are in guest bedroom, very spacious and well lit. My right hand side is a walk-in robe, very big walk-in robe, and ensuite after the walk-in robe, and very beautiful part of this is shared with your lounge area. So in the hallway again, my left hand side is a theater room. So it has a timber door with a frosted glass inside. It's a double door and very spacious theater room. Now we are in hallway again. In front of theater and in back of your garage, we are in laundry. So extended store in laundry, overhead cupboards. Just next to the laundry, we have a linen there and we have a linen here as well. So no wastage of space. That's called planning. Now we are in the heart of the house. Living and kitchen both have different features. Let's start with kitchen. In kitchen, we have 40 mm Calcutta stone with a single sink for your drinking water. Now this kitchen you can see is very bulky. It has a U shape and 900 appliances and a picture window at the back. We have a tower there, cabinet, 2 oven looking beautiful. Then we have a butler's pantry. Our sink is inside, as you can see, shelving there, and you can wash dishes here. And we cannot miss this cavity sliding door with a frosted glass. Now we are in dining area. As you can see, there is a pendant on top of the dining and you can fit 8-seater dining table easily. We are in lounge. Look at this beautiful bulkhead. So we have niches there and a feature paint inside. Stacker door there for your backyards. Now moving upstairs. Look at beautiful timber stairs. Can't believe this 36 square house has everything. After the stairs, and straight away, I'm on top floor in lounge there. Now we have master bedroom with balcony at the front, 2 beautiful pendants on side table. I have a ensuite there and a look. It's like a second room. Very spacious walk-in robe here. And in ensuite, we have wall-to-wall shower, double vanity, and beautiful cabinet. Now we are going to balcony. Perfect location for your evening tea. Now we have one more door. It's locked, but this for bedroom number 2 on upstairs. Now we are moving to bedroom number 2, especially kids' bedroom. Again, you can see very spacious walk-in robe. It's a good size walk-in robe. And we have a separate door here for your balcony. Now moving to bedroom number 3. Now I'm in bedroom number 3. This bedroom has also a walk-in robe. Very spacious walk-in robe there. Between bedroom number 3 and 4, we have a powder room there and a common bathroom there. So bedroom number 4 also has a walk-in robe. I'm damn sure you're gonna notice this. Every bedroom looks like a master bedroom. Spacious bedroom. So this common bathroom has spa. So again, it's a luxury feature of your house. So if you're in the middle of any planning and cannot finalize anything, come and see us.